Here Akhil Srivastava teaching you Maths of Class 10th NCERT, Chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. Previous lecture I have explained you about the right triangle and trigonometric ratios. What is the right triangle? How will you get the perpendicular base and hypotenuse of a right triangle? Right triangle, one angle is 90 degree and opposite side is always fixed hypotenuse. And here is, if one acute angle you are taking, there is a two acute angles, then opposite side of this acute angle is always called the perpendicular and the adjacent side of this is called the base. By this perpendicular, base and hypotenuse, any two side ratios and angle gives you the 6 trigonometric ratios. These 6 trigonometric ratios, out of these 6, 3 are basic. Full name I have told you, sine, cos, tan. But without angle they are meaningless. That's why there will be sine theta, cos theta and tan theta. There is 3 basic and 3 more by secondary, that with relation of the sine, cos and tan you are getting cosec, sec and cot. But how will you learn these relations with PBH? I have told you that I will tell you one slogan. What is the slogan? Which gives you the relation between sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot. That is Pandit Badri Prasad. Pandit Badri Prasad, har har bole. Badri Prasad, har har bole. That you will write, learn, and one alphabet you will take from these words. Each word, first alphabet you will take, then it will be PBP, Pandit Badri Prasad, har har bole. This alphabet PBP HHB gives you all the 6 trigonometric ratios by top to bottom and right to left, from left to right. This left side to right side you go, from top to bottom you will get the first trigonometric ratio sine, then cos, then cot, tan. Sine, cos, tan. From right to left and bottom to top you will get cot, sec, cosec. How will you write this? Sine theta is equal to, sine theta is equal to top to bottom P by H. Cos theta is equal to top to bottom B by H. Tan theta is equal to top to bottom P by P. Similarly, from bottom to top, cot theta is equal to B by P. You are writing from bottom to top, means it is numerator and it is the denominator. And sec theta is equal to, in the middle, H by B. H by B, and cosec theta is equal to H upon P. H upon P. So within seconds you can write in your copy, in your examination, any place when you are going to give examination, and after many practice you can automatically you will learn this. Sin theta is equal to P by H. Sin and cosec has a reciprocal relation which I have told you yesterday and today also. Sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin. So like this you can see P by H and H by P. So the question based on it. But one more thing, Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole, I am telling you, you can take another slogan in which PBP and HHB will be there at the first alphabet of that word. Now a question, example you take, if sin theta is equal to 3 upon 5, find other all trigonometric ratios. Find other all. How many trigonometric ratios total? 3 plus 3 for basic, which is called primary, and it is the secondary. How will you get 3 by P? 5. 3 by 5. So in this case, first of all you will draw a right triangle. Without right triangle also you know, because P by H is the sin theta. So you will draw a right triangle. What is the meaning of 3 by 5? it means there is a one acute angle theta is given in which 190 degree is there. If triangle ABC is this, in front of this what is 3? 3 means first of all here you will let that sine theta is equal to 3 by 5 means P upon H. So let P is equal to 3K and H is equal to 5K. What is K? K is the proportional constant you are taking. So that is proportionality constant is 3K is here perpendicular and hypotenuse will be 5K. Apply Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Put the values here. 5K square in bracket you will write because one letter and one alphabet is equal to 3K square plus BC square. 25K square minus 9K square gives you BC square. So 16K square is equal to BC square. Under root 16K square is equal to BC. So plus minus 4K, but plus minus you will not take here, is equal to BC. It means your base is 4K. Now perpendicular, hypotenuse and base you are getting. Base is 4K. Apply the PBH, Pandit Badri Prasad Harar Bole, you learn Pandit Badri Prasad PBP upon HH B. And that you know sine cos tan. So sine is given. What is the cos theta? Cos theta is equal to B upon H. What is the base? 4K upon 5K. K and K cancel. Your answer is 4 upon 5. Then tan theta. Sine cos tan. Tan theta is what? Pandit Badri Prasad Harar Bole HHB P by B. P is what? 3K and 4K. K and K cancel. What is your answer? 3 by 4. Now you are getting the sine cos tan. Basic you are getting. I have told that I have a relation reciprocal with the other one. So you can get by reciprocal or you will find out cot theta is equal to B by P. So cot theta will be 1 upon tan theta directly. I am telling you. You can solve directly or you solve by this. Tan theta reciprocal will be 4 by 3. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Cos theta you have got 4 by 5. So it is 5 by 4. Cosec theta is reciprocal of 1 upon sin theta, which gives you sin theta is already given here 5 by 3. So you can get by this reciprocal relation or you get by cosec theta is h by p. What is the h? 5k upon 3k. K cancel 5 by 3. Sec theta h by b you will get 5 by 4. So this one example I have given you and one slogan. With the help of this you practice. The rest I will tell you in the next lecture. Thank you.